Wrench. A tool used to tighten or loosen nuts and bolts. The mechanic grabbed a wrench to fix the loose bolt. Air compressor. A machine that supplies compressed air for tools and tire inflation. The air compressor is essential for running pneumatic tools. Alignment machine. Equipment for adjusting the angles of wheels. After hitting a curb, the car needed the alignment machine. Battery charger. A device for recharging car batteries. He used a battery charger to revive the dead battery. Brake fluid. A hydraulic fluid that helps the braking system function. Always check the brake fluid during maintenance. Brake pad. A part of the brake system that creates friction to stop the car. Worn brake pads can make a squeaking noise. Car lift. A hydraulic system that raises cars for easier access during repairs. The car lift made it easy to inspect the undercarriage. Coolant. A liquid that keeps the engine from overheating. The mechanic topped up the coolant to prevent overheating. Creeper. A low platform on wheels used to slide under cars. He rolled under the car on the creeper to inspect the exhaust. Diagnostic scanner. A device that reads error codes from a car's computer system. The mechanic used a diagnostic scanner to find the engine issue. Funnel. A tool for pouring fluids into narrow openings without spilling. Use a funnel to add engine oil cleanly. Grease gun. A tool for applying lubricant to moving parts. The mechanic used a grease gun to lubricate the joints. Impact wrench. A power tool that delivers high torque to loosen tight bolts. The mechanic used an impact wrench to remove the lug nuts. Jack. A device used to lift a car for repairs or tire changes. He used a jack to lift the car and replace the flat tire. Oil filter. A component that removes impurities from engine oil. The oil filter should be replaced during every oil change. Ratchet. A hand tool used with sockets to turn fasteners. The mechanic used a ratchet to tighten the engine bolts. Shop vacuum. A powerful vacuum cleaner for cleaning debris and fluids in the garage. He used the shop vacuum to clean up after the repair job. Spark plug. A device that ignites the fuel-air mixture in the engine. The car wouldn't start because the spark plug was faulty. Tire pressure gauge. A tool for measuring the air pressure in tires. Always use a tire pressure gauge to ensure proper inflation. Workbench. A sturdy table where tools and parts are organized for repair work. He placed the parts on the workbench before reassembly.